Good morning, students. In the previous class, we learned about the area of trapezium. Now, area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is the difference between trapezium and quadrilateral? In a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is a trapezium. This side and this side are parallel. One pair means two. Two lines are parallel. Remaining are not parallel. This is the shape of trapezium. But in quadrilateral, four sides are different. Any two sides are not parallel. Here one is figure. In this figure, this is a quadrilateral. In this figure, any two sides are not parallel. So this is called quadrilateral. Okay. This is a quadrilateral. This is the diagonal. Name is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay. In this, AC is the diagonal. Diagonal means D. It was shown by D. This is the perpendicular on AC from D. Perpendicular line. Perpendicular. And it means here is having 90 degrees or here is having 90 degrees. This line is perpendicular to AC. AC means diagonal. Okay. This is one more perpendicular line. This is one more perpendicular line from B on AC. Here also forming 90 degrees. So this is called perpendicular. It is making 90 degrees here. So this is called perpendicular. See, once again, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonal is AC. This is the perpendicular line. This is one more perpendicular line. Two perpendicular lines on AC. One is DE. The other is PF. This is the diagram. Once again, repeating. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC is the diagonal. This is the perpendicular line on AC from D, and it is this is one more line. This is one more line on AC. One more perpendicular line on AC from B. This name is DE. This name is BF. Now, how to find area? In this figure, what has given? In this figure, what has given? In this figure, D. D means diagonal. Diagonal measure is 10 centimeters. Now heights means this is one height, this is another height. H1 equal to, this is 4 centimeters, H2 equal to 3 centimeters. Now what are the measurements? Once again, AC is 10 centimeters. H1, this DE called H1 4 centimeters. This is H2 FB equal to 3 centimeters. Now area of the quadrilateral equal to half into H1 plus H2 into D. This is the formula. Half into H1 plus H2 into D. That's equal to 1 by 2 of, what is H1? 4 plus H2 3 into D 10. 1 by 2 into 7 into 10. These two cancel here 5 times. 7 5s are 35 centimeter square or square centimeters. ఏదో ఒకటే పెట్టాలి, రెండు పెట్టకూడదు. సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫైండింగ్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్, the diagonal D is equal to 10 centimeters. It is called AC, 10 centimeters. H1, this is the one of the perpendicular line. H1 equal to 4 centimeters. H2 and one more another perpendicular line. H2 equal to 3 centimeters. Area of the quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 into H1 plus H2 into D. Bracket means into. It can be read as half, not half. 1 by 2 of H1 plus H2 into D. 1 by 2 of 4 plus 3 into 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 by 2 into 7 into 10. These two cancel here 5 times. 7 5s are 35 centimeter square or square centimeters. This is the finding area of the quadrilateral. Okay, right.